So in this video, I'm going to discuss with you all about the fresher progression cycle. So what is this exactly? So I'm going to tell you about when you can expect to get your promotion and increase in your salary. So there are a lot of you who have doubts and misunderstandings that when you are going to get your promotion, that is it after 1 year, is it after how many months, when you are going to get increased salary and all. So this video is going to clarify your doubts, and I hope you find this video important and informative for you. So according to the new rules, freshers will get promoted after 18 months. So your date of joining is suppose X. When you complete 18 months, in the next quarter, you are going to get your promotion and your increase in salary. So let me give you an example. Suppose you have joined in July 2021. So when are you going to complete 18 months? So that will be in January 2023. But your promotion and your salary increase will not be effective from the day you complete 18 months. As I said, it is in the next quarter after you complete this. So the first quarter is January, February, March. So since you are completing 18 months in the first quarter, that is January, February, March, so your promotion will be in the next quarter, that is in April, May, June. So in April, you are going to get your new promotion title and your new salary details. So everything you are going to get in the month of April. So this is for analysts. So analysts have their promotion after 18 months. But what about senior analysts and for the remaining others? For senior analysts who join as fresher hires, for them it is after 12 months and not 18 months. So the process is similar, that you complete 12 months in suppose X month, and in the next quarter you are going to get your promotion. So that is for the senior analysts. But for analysts it is 18 months. So a lot of you don't know that it is after 18 months. So a lot of you keep asking me that you have completed 1 year in the company but still you are not promoted. You have completed 13 months but still you are not promoted. You have completed 18 months, still you are not promoted, because your promotion is, first of all, it is after 18 months and it is after the next quarter. So how much will be their increase in your salary? So that is going to totally depend on the appraisal which you are going to get. So if you get 5, it is the best. If you get 4, 3, 2, 1. So whichever, according to whatever appraisal you get, so depending on that, there will be an increase in salary depending on 5% to 10%. I'm not exactly sure how much, but around that range, your salary is going to increase. Now, for experienced people, they have things like mid-year promotion and end-year promotion review. So all these things. So for them, like, yeah, they have opportunities for promotion throughout the year. But as freshers, for senior analysts, it is 12 months. For analysts, it is 18 months. So I hope that this information has been informative to you, and I hope that you all have got to know that when you can expect to get your new promotion and new salary details. So thank you guys very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.